Assalamu alaikum. Today we were going to make a spin circuit assembly. We will need a 1.5 volts battery and a hobby gear motor. Now we'll select the 1.5 battery and count it as 2 batteries, and we will make it to have a built-in switch. Yes. And now we are going to take the positive terminal of the batteries and connect it to the positive terminal of the gear motor. And now we'll take the negative side of the the batteries and connect it to the gear motor. And now if we start it, as you can see, they are running fast. I'm going to do an experiment. 1 minute. If we turn this as 3 batteries, let's see the volts. We have 143 volts running in it, RPM. And if we do it more and more, like 4 batteries, and start it, we have the maximum results. And as you can see, they're running fast. But if we decrease them, we do it 1, what happens? Look, it's only 50 RPM and it's slow. Let's try and change the batteries. Now this time we'll take a 9 volts battery. We'll connect it, the negative terminal to the negative terminal, and the positive terminal to the positive terminal, just like before. Done. Let's see the results. Hey, we have 286 RPM running. Whoa. Let's make it, it's just 1. But the motor is slow because it's causing friction. So let's try another one, a coin cell. We'll connect the positive terminal to the positive terminal and the negative terminal to the negative terminal. And done. Let's start it now. Hey, 70 RPM and it's fast. Good. So, but our experiment for today was with only 1.5 volt batteries. So this was all for today. Hope you learned something new. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.